Everybody, welcome back. Time for the next video. This is going to be our custom cables video. So built this last time around. So these are extensions. So basically all the power connectors that are in there now in the build, we're just going to plug into here, into this end, and then these are going to head over into our graphics card, our APS, our motherboard, and we're going to have some nice shiny cables. So basically what we want to do is we need to get these cable combs. These are going to separate our cables on the front side of the case and make our cables look nice and neat. Basically, you're just going to slot the cables into the cable comb. That's going to separate your cables. Making sure you get the right cables in the right slot. This can be time consuming and quite tedious, but trust me, it's worth it. Gives your computer just that next level of customization that you may be looking for. So that's basically your cable comb there. Just slide that down, and it just makes that cable look a whole lot neater. So when we come to bend it into the correct shape, like that, those cables are all going to stay together. I mean, just mess around with it a little bit just to make it all nice and neat. So I'm actually probably going to order more combs, just because with the back being glass as well. You can also get RGB combs, which is just crazy. Like, everything's going RGB. Power supplies, you can't even see the power supply in this case. You get RGB power supplies, RGB M.2 heatsinks, RGB cable combs, RGB fans, RGB everything, so you can just have RGB puke to your heart's content. And that's pretty much your cables done. So as you can see, I need to cable manage down here a little bit more and just maybe tidy this bit up a little bit. But all in all, it's not looking too shabby. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And cables are looking pretty good, I have to say. These are UpHere cable extensions with black cable combs. They come in a variety of different colours, and I know you can get RGB cable combs now as well. That's obviously going to increase the amount of wiring. I will link the cables in the description below, the Amazon link, and done for now. So that's it. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.